Hey, welcome back. The footage you are about to see was filmed in 2020. I hope you enjoy.
Hey, Lit Innovations. Welcome back. This is our 3D printed softball bat part 2. Part 1, as you can see, is right here on the floor next to me, broken up in, the several pieces it took to print. Here is number 2. Number 1, this was all PLA, and right here, this is all PETG. This is just a regular softball bat for scale and size, as you can see. It is the 33 inches that this one is. So some things to note for V2 differently is V1, I basically kind of melted these together. I think I glued the bottom two pieces together, but I definitely melted the top two. I was gonna try to go out and film again. I bought some couple different types of super glue and some epoxy resin mix. And I mean, as you can see, it was not setting. It was not working out that well. But on to V2, all PETG. This time, I used the epoxy resin mix for each of the joints, because that's really where it was failing. It wasn't necessarily the parts that were snapping. It was just more so snapping at the connection. So I mean, you can see. Got the epoxy there, got a big glob there, bunch here. So we'll see how it works. This is definitely a decent amount heavier than that. All of these parts are printed in 60% with the Octet infill in Cura, and they each took about, these bottom two pieces took, I think this took about 7.5 hours, this took about 8.5 hours, this took about 13 hours, and then this took about 16 to 17 hours. So we got like roughly a little over a day and a half of printing. So a little higher.
I'm gonna get hit. Ashley Hicks, world famous pitcher. Here we are. She makes the shot. She releases
Higher still.
little bit more power. Oh! 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 I almost died.
Language.
I know. You can cut out the S one and just keep O in.
So,
Front piece, top piece.
lay tip Gonzo. Okay.
Use the rest of it.
Did not work that well, but we still got 3 layers to go. So
Let's go.
let's see what
Ashley,
happens.
you want to switch me spots so you're not sinking? Your shoes are getting dirty.
Not really going back now.
True. Get it. Ooh! Next
Okay.
piece came off. You broke that one though.
Oh yes. Here we go.
Epoxy
Whoa.
held. Piece broke. I'm not. Wait, I didn't even have the
Dang.
shot. Might be.
Wow.
Nice.
A little bit left.
Woo! Another one bites the dust. There's a piece
Dang.
right there. Here we are.
All right. Let's see. Mud City,
There's another piece right there.
Crack City.
Right there.
Where?
I see it with the camera.
Well.
It's right there.
Oh, I see it now.
Dun-dun-dun.
But yeah, I thought that epoxy was definitely gonna hold up a lot more, better, stronger, nicer. I thought it was gonna be better than
Efficiency?
more efficient. Thank you.
There you go.
Electronics. Thank you.
Shut.
I thought it was gonna be a lot better than the last one, but as you can see, we are back down to the 4 individual pieces. So there's not much left to really say. I mean, you guys saw the results. We're back down to 4 and 4. So, yep. That's all for this video. As always, stay tuned for more, and you stay lit, America.
Enjoy quarantine.
Enjoy quarantine.
All right, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that footage. The files will be on the website for free. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, and as always, you stay lit, America.